So this is my 80% win rate strategy in 1 minute. Really simple stuff. I only ever trade the 5 minute. I only ever take longs. And these are my rules here. I wait for a sweep of sell side, which is a low like this. Really obvious low. I'm looking for 3 candle pattern V shapes on the 5 minute back to the upside like this. And then once we come and close back above the gap, I enter. I'm looking to target 1 for 1. At which point I scale half my position and go break even, and then I leave runners for liquidity. This liquidity here and this liquidity here were my targets, and as you can see, this runner went up and hit about a 3R there at the market open, and then we dumped and started chopping around. It was FOMC yesterday, so I wasn't looking at holding this trade for the long term. But you can see here, this is my strategy. I do this every single day. I have alerts in my private Discord down below, and if you do want to get free giveaways, you can get them in the free Discord down below as well. Lucid accounts given away all the time. But this is my strategy. I do this every single day. The 5 minute, I only take longs. I wait for a sweep of sell side, target buy side. And this is all I do. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.